right, y'all, it is here and in the house. So let you guys know that as the time of this video, you can still get this for the discounted price of $149.99. It's going to be a link below in the description if you guys are looking to purchase one. I know you guys have looked at it. Those people have purchased them and stuff and messaged me about it. But I'm going to unbox this. Now, I can't run it today. I mean, it's storming outside bad and all that. But I will get this up running first thing tomorrow for you guys. Or at least tomorrow. I'm not going to say first thing. But I will get this up and run this for you guys. Even if it's just drizzling. I think it's supposed to not rain as much tomorrow. And get this out and at least do a quick test run for it. But you guys know that this also comes, as you see down there, that's kind of upside down. Turn this right side up. That this also comes in two colors that you can see down there. And yes, it does come with the carrying case too. Now I don't know if after the promotion, everything's over, it'll still come with this case, but at least you guys know that it does come with this case. So I'd say if you want to get one, go ahead and do it. It's $149. And after, I believe it's the 30th of November, they are going to be $249. So I think that that's good that this company is offering it at a discount up until the 30th of November. And then from that point, the price is actually going to go up. So there's a link below in the description for it if you guys want to check this out. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crack this thing open and see what we got in here. All right, and this is pretty awesome that it comes with this case. This is something like you get if you bought a drone or something, where you get a carrying case for it. So, and look at that, that's packed in there really nice. That's packed in there real good. Take this Velcro strap off, and you guys know I got the orange one sitting here. So here's a look at this real quick. I'll throw this to the side. Here's the actual wing for you. You actually have to put this on, which take a couple of seconds or a minute or two to do that. Here's the radio for it. Nice 2.4 gigahertz radio. This is fine and decent in the hand, and I believe it just uses 4 AA's. If I can crack this open with one hand, I'll get that open in just a minute. And then in here, you actually have other things. You probably got tools, your instruction manual, and things and that such too as well. So there, of course, you got the catalog of other products that they have. I'm just surprised and impressed it comes with the case. When I saw it, I was like, does it come with the case? And yes, it does. So in this bag, you get some extra parts in here. You get some extra hexes. These are 12mm hexes, of course. You get a tool to work on it. And you get this front foam bumper too. Now this bumper is if you want to put it on, and you got this for a little kid. So if they're hitting the wall and stuff, it won't just break. I mean, any car is going to break if you keep hitting it on the wall, but they give you that bumper and they give you some instructions on how to install that. And then you guys also see there, they have a charger too. So let me go ahead. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to take a look at this buggy. All right, y'all, getting this out, I'm going to shed a little light. I want to show you guys a couple things. I'm actually impressed that they did this, especially for the price point. So with these extra accessories, you do get, as you see here, an extra front shock tower. Now this is actually really good because when I had my other one, I actually ran into something and I actually broke the front shock tower and I had to try to order another. So they give you an extra one of these in there. I also mentioned, you guys see you get some extra hexes in here too. Then you also get this front bumper for it, and you can use this if you're doing speed runs. Actually, you can put this on and put some weight on the front of it like I did for mine, and actually keep this buggy down too with this. But I'm going to show you guys some other stuff you get. Look at this. They give you some information and they give you droop screws in it, which is excellent because the other one didn't have it. And how often do you get droop screws, especially in a buggy like this? So they probably got some big things planned for this coming in the future. So droop screws, as you guys know, you can use it to actually lower the buggy down, which is good. Then you also get this charger for the battery that's included with it. Check this out. A-arms too. You get A-arms. And you get an extra pinion gear. So this is probably a speed gear. This looks to be 32 pitch, but I don't know exactly what gear that is. But then you get a little tool for your tires, and then you get extra body clips. So they give you everything. To me, this is the best buy of 2022 as far as RCs go. And I'm not just saying that, just the extra accessories and stuff you get with it, to me, is well worth it, because you don't really get cars that come with all these extra accessories, extra parts for it, and you get a carrying case for it. And then looking at this buggy, you guys know this buggy looks good with this, and it comes in two colors, as I mentioned before. I'm gonna try not to make this unboxing that long because I have several things I have to run out and do. But it does come with a 2S LiPo. You can fit a 3S LiPo in here. This radio is actually a regular standard radio, and I'm so glad that, like I said, these companies are doing this, because let's say you don't like the radio, or you have a radio that you use and you have a lot of receivers, you can just switch that out easily. No more of the 2-in-1 systems or anything like that with it, which is great in my opinion. With that, and this is capable of 2 and 3S LiPo. You seem to have enough room here if you want to put a bigger motor in it. You could probably do a 540 or maybe the 550 size motor in here, and then change the speed control out for speed runs if you want to do that with this. Other things is the motor mount is adjustable too. That is a great thing, because if you want to, like I said, try to do a speed run, you can probably switch out this center diff, or I think it's a slipper clutch that's in here. I believe it's slipper clutch. You can switch that out. You can change your gears out, and you can actually adjust this now. No more trying to get the exact fit gears and stuff in there. You can actually make adjustments for that, which is excellent with this. And you guys see there, this has sway bars front and rear. So this is loaded, and these are aluminum threaded body shocks with that. So they've done a great job. I cannot wait until they start doing larger scale vehicles, like a 10 scale, 8 scale, 7 scale, and maybe even a 5th scale. Maybe they'll do that in the coming years, but they're building up to it. I'll give them props on that, to do what they're doing here with this. So that's going to be a look at this. I don't want to go too in depth with this because, I mean, it's basic overview. It is a RC buggy. You guys know that the links are down there. One thing I am going to check over, I'm going to just check over the screws and stuff like that to make sure everything's secure down with this particular buggy, which is going to be good. But check these wheel nuts too in here, because that is, make sure those are tightened down with it. But that's going to be a look at this, guys. I wanted to show this to you and get this to you. Dog bones in it, adjustable turnbuckles and everything for it. So that is a good thing. That is a good thing. So this is a look at the, I say Rlaarlo. I know it's Rlaarlo new buggy that they actually have out. I wanted to show this to you guys, get a quick unboxing of it, kind of let you know with this. And I was so interested in this case and stuff that comes with it. So if you haven't put your order in, the link's going to be below in the description. I'm going to at least try to get this up and running in the next day, and you guys can see that there. I'll take it out. Hopefully the weather is better tomorrow. But don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below, share it with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, guys, for watching.